guys, welcome back to Michelle's weight loss vlog. This is day 2 of our weight loss program. Hey, did you get on the scale yesterday like I did in front of everybody? But of course, I'm sure you didn't get on your scale in front of everybody like I did. And that's actually okay. I'm subjecting myself to this kind of torture. So I hope you did. I hope you got a snapshot. What I like about getting on the scale is you actually get a snapshot of where you're at and where you're starting from. And I know it can be really scary. As you saw, I was a little bit scared yesterday, but of course, like I have been on this weight loss plan for 2 weeks. So I kind of had an idea of where I might be at, but it's always a little bit scary to actually step on the scale. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about the MyFitnessPal app and how I use it. I actually use the free version of MyFitnessPal, and it's really dummy proof if you guys have never used it. Tracking is really, really important in a weight loss program, and I will tell you this, having done diets and weight loss programs for years and years and years, you need to track. You need to track because you need to hold yourself accountable to how much you're actually eating. And also, like, what is your daily goal? And that's really important. So MyFitnessPal, they actually, if you put in your information, you put in your weight, how much weight you want to lose, and like how active you are, they're going to give you a daily goal. Now, my daily goal, if you can see it, I'm actually going to take a screenshot and post it up. My daily goal right now is 1,280 calories, which really doesn't seem like a lot. No, the goal that I've set for myself is 1,400 calories. I'm actually just going to take a screenshot here, and you can see my breakfast for today. And it's not very much, but I did run 3.1 miles today. So, and of course, I am really slow at running. I'm going to actually post a video on my exercise program, but I'm very, very slow. It's kind of more like a run walk. But I did do, I think it was 3.1 or 3.3 miles today. As a result, I actually gained 275 calories from exercise. Now, whether or not you want to use your exercise calories, that's totally debatable, and it's totally up to you. But my recommendation is if this is your first 2 weeks on the weight loss program, I would say don't use your exercise calories, or if you need to use them the first week, use them. It's totally fine. If you look here, basically you have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then there's exercise and water. If you look, you can add your water, you can add your exercise. If you press the plus symbol, you'll actually get to add whatever it is that you want to add to your day to record it. Now, I know it can seem like super duper tedious, but it's really cool because MyFitnessPal has a lot of functionality. For example, if I hit lunch and I hit like egg and I put egg in, it'll say 1 large. And then if I hit that, it'll say add frequently paired foods. Add frequently paired foods. So it's smart. It's going to memorize things that you have eaten in the past in order to do quick add for something that you have actually eaten before. It's pretty savvy in that. What I like too is you can create recipes. You can create your own recipes with it. You can add your recipes. You can add the key ingredients as well. And then you have your recipe saved, the portion size, like how many portions are in the recipe, and the calorie count, plus all the fat count and sugars and everything. If you guys are counting carbs, fats, or proteins, it has that too. So it has all that information. So like once you make a meal or once you make a recipe, you can actually save it. You can also save meals. Now, it looks like, it says yesterday's lunch, for example. There used to be in the daily diary, there used to be the functionality to actually save your meal. I think that is now in the paid plans. Go figure, I'm not sure. You start with MyFitnessPal. You're gonna do my profile. My profile is basically just gonna have like your username and everything. And then for your goals, you're gonna have your starting weight on your goals. You're gonna have your goal weight and how many pounds you actually plan on losing per week. Now, let's be realistic here, guys. You're not gonna lose like 5 pounds a week, okay? In the first week, you might lose more than 2 pounds. Now, if you're a dude, you might lose more than that per week. If you're a woman, it's generally between 1 and 2 pounds a week is a safe lose. Unless if you have a ton of weight to lose and you start on your weight loss program, you're gonna lose those first few weeks, you're actually gonna lose more. And that's just the way it works when you're counting your calories. So actually, I can't even click through here, but your activity level, I put mine as active. It's really strange because before they had like lazy or basically like sedentary or low activity, and then like mildly active, active, and very active. So they've changed their activity levels on there. So it's sort of like sedentary, active, very active, and athlete. Because I'm a writer and a YouTuber and I'm sitting a lot, like I sit to edit and I sit to write, I put active, which is like the second category up. I didn't put very active or athlete because I do sit for a large portion of the day. So be honest about that, because your goal calorie count is actually going to be based on your activity level and how many pounds you want to lose per week as well. You can do your nutrition goals. You can do calories, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins as well. Now you can unlock other things like calories per meal, so show carbs, protein, and fat per meal. You can do that if you buy the premium or you subscribe to the premium subscription. You can do your fitness goals. So my fitness goals are to do 5 workouts a week, exercise 50 minutes for each goal. Okay, so that's your goals right there. And if you look at this, your homepage is gonna have your streak. And so like I've been logging in for 16 days and I've lost a total of 4.1 pounds since I started this time around. You'll be able to see your progress as well, which is kind of cool. They also have a graph. So with a graph, you can see your progress on the graph. And I'm gonna show you actually a really super duper cool feature too, which I love about this app, is that you can scan your foods in. So, and be super duper mindful, you guys, about the amounts. So like the portion size. And so yes, you can scan your foods in, but you want to be really, really super duper careful about the portion size. I'm going to go grab something and I'm going to scan it in. I'm not going to log it in, but I'm going to scan it in just to show you guys how easy it is to actually scan it. So of course I'm not going to pick something healthy. I'm a health guru. I'm not picking something healthy. Actually, this isn't bad. I love these. These are the Unreal dark chocolate coconut bars. I actually really love these. I picked these up at Whole Foods when I started my weight loss program, actually a little bit before I started. And they're fun size. They're pretty tiny, but they're really good and they curb your craving for something sweet. And they only have 70 calories per treat, if you will. What we're gonna do is, if you look here, there's like a little barcode symbol above. So you have the barcode here. All I'm gonna do is scan it. Oops, I gotta scan it this way. Doesn't work the opposite way. And it's just gonna come up. It came up as dark chocolate coconut bars, 70 calories, 5 grams of fat, 8 carbs, and 0 protein. And then it asks you if you want to log it. And it's going to allow you to log it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. I am all out of these, so I'm not eating any today, unless if I get more. I'm not gonna log it. That I'm not gonna log. But what's really cool, you guys, is that you can also, when you're adding your recipes, you can take each, like you can take your bag of flour, your bag of sugar, you can do all of that and just scan them in. You don't even have to write anything. So you can scan in all of the ingredients, put in the portion sizes or whatever. So if it's 1 cup or half a cup or 1/4 cup, you can do that. And then you put in your servings for the recipe, and then it'll tabulate everything. It's so dummy proof. In the beginning, using MyFitnessPal is gonna be totally tedious. You're gonna be like, I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna log in every single thing I'm putting in my mouth, but it's well worth it. It really is. It's going to make your weight loss program so much easier. And you always have your mobile device on you anyway, so why not use it? And I really enjoy using MyFitnessPal, the free app. I love it. It's been very, like I said, it's very dummy proof. It's really good. What's kind of cool is that like it's a community app. So if you add a food, if you go to the diary and you just put in anything, because it's a community app, people all around the world that are using MyFitnessPal are putting in the calorie count, the protein count, and everything for all the foods like you could possibly think of. It's pretty amazing that there's that database of all the foods you could possibly think of. So if you look up a really obscure food, it's likely to be in MyFitnessPal app. Now, again, I have not used the paid version, the premium version of MyFitnessPal, so I really don't know if it's worth it. Now, a great other feature that it does for you is that if MyFitnessPal is activated on your mobile device and you're walking or running or exercising with your phone, it will actually serve as a pedometer, so it will count your steps as well. Now be careful, if you are logging in your exercise, MyFitnessPal is going to give you calorie credits, if you will, for exercise because it's using the app as a pedometer as well. If you don't want it to do that, then log in your exercise and it will override it, so it's not going to double count those exercise calories that it's giving back to you, so you can use it during your day, which is pretty darn awesome. Now, the one thing that I haven't quite figured out, and it's really hard, is that if I'm doing weightlifting, if I'm doing like 30 minutes of weightlifting, it really doesn't have like the exercise portion of it. You can choose strength training, but it's kind of like 4 sets of leg presses, 5 sets of push-ups. It gets super duper tedious just to enter that in. I have never entered in strength training for the exercise program just because it is a little bit tedious. But other than that, if you're entering in your cardio, it's super easy to do. I would say if you don't have MyFitnessPal yet, if you haven't used it, I would say definitely bring it to your phone, go get the app and start using it, and you'll see actually how user-friendly MyFitnessPal actually is. That is your first step. After weighing in, use MyFitnessPal. Start logging in your food. And hold yourself accountable, you guys. Hold yourself accountable for what you're putting in your mouth. Like, that is it. So when I talked to you guys yesterday, I said, move your body, count your calories. Move your body, count your calories. That's basically it. Restrict your calorie intake. It's that simple. Not easy to do, but it's that simple. I am actually starving. After running 3 miles, I'm a little bit on the hungry side. Today's my food planning day. Not my favorite day of the week, but I have to plan my meals for the upcoming week. I have to do that. I'm gonna eat some lunch, post this video. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Use MyFitnessPal. It's great to use, so much fun. I will see all you losers, and I will see less of you in the next video. Now get up off your big old booty and come dance with me. Get up off your booty and come dance with me. Come dance with me. Shake it, 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 shake it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, losers.